My name is Sue Heatley, and this show is called Flicker. My goal as an artist is to represent things I can't represent verbally. What each one of these paintings has is a layer, a very top layer of these lines that, again, I was very interested in the way this latex paint sat up on the birch panel. But I've almost entirely covered the paintings with that, and I was interested in the way that sort of messes with your eye a little bit, so that you're not sure what you're looking at, and it created this screen or this filter, and I was interested in that, in the way that our brains kind of process things when we're looking at something that's a little obstructed. My real aim for the viewer is to be stopped in their tracks when they walk into a room and they see a painting that they haven't seen something like it before.